Hi everyone and welcome. So today we're going to talk about the GoPro Proshot mount from Proshot. Tongue twister there. But anyway, so we're going to talk about the GoPro mount from Proshot that I usually have on my Arai Tour X4 helmet. And the reason why I'm doing this video is just, to give you some insights and actually since a lot of people ask me what this mount is, where I got it from. And at this point I wanted to give a shout out to Nora Lee from Itchy Boost, the channel. She's traveling around the world and actually she brought me up to the idea of buying it since she's using it on her travels as well. So I will link her channel down below, give her a thumbs up, follow her, like her videos. She's really doing a great video stuff and it's always fun to watch her. Alright, so let's come back. I'm using the Proshot GoPro mount on my Arai Tour X4 because first of all it's simple. I get the first person view that I actually want. It's stable, so it's nothing like these hinges that you sometimes have. It's just like get it just right, and then you have to change the battery, and then it's just like it goes all out of the window. So that is the entire reason why I did get it, and it's awesome because it's fixed with Velcro to the side. So basically you stick it on there and it's really strong, it's durable. Oh, trust me, even if you grip the entire helmet just by the mount, it doesn't come off. So that is actually quite good, and if you have a crash it does come off. So and if you need to take it off, if someone tells you to, the police or someone, just take it off. It is easy. It does work. In addition to that, I actually do have my camera cable, my microphone cable, which I have running across there as well. So that is also a good place to get rid of the cable so it doesn't dingle around. So they do come in different colors, and as a matter of fact I do have one not only in black, but I have one in red right here. So they do come in different colors, so the version 2 comes in various colors like gray, yellow, blue, red, black, white, and probably some other colors. Just check out the link down below from Proshot itself. And it's not that expensive, we're talking about $32 US. And it's more than worth it. That's the reason why I actually did get more than just one. Two actually for friends of mine, one for myself, because I'm still using version number 1 rather than version number 2. And to be honest, it's not that expensive, so yeah, why not? The thing I would recommend you get is an additional set of Velcro from M3. They do offer that in the shop as well, and I would recommend you get that as well. It's a little bit on the top, but rather have it than rather safe than sorry. So get that as well. What else is to say? Yeah, well, the reason it works, and that's the entire reason why I'm actually doing this video, because I'm so happy with it, and it actually works. And it's such a simple thing, because you don't have anything. It's how do you describe it? It's sleek. The design is okay, and it fits directly to your helmet. And that is the entire thing why I bought it. In that case, I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comments below. I will answer them, and I will link the shop from Proshot down below. And yeah. Go out, ride, have fun, and make awesome videos. Take care. Bye.